This is a FIVCOR replacement ink cartridge. It's for the HP61 in black. They say it's XXL. So my HP Envy has run out of black ink and it's time to replace this guy. I received this to review for free. They have not paid me for my review, so my opinions are my own. So in the box they have a little instruction sheet here and the ink cartridge itself sealed in a plastic wrapper. It has various pieces of, I'm not sure if it's tape or if they've laser etched something off of this. So this may be a remanufactured cartridge that they have laser etched or covered up original markings on. There is a sticker on the top. It says ink cartridge replacement for 61XL. Do not remove this label. There's a plastic cover here in addition to the little tape here that is covering up the actual ink cartridge nozzle. Now the nozzle does have some evidence of previous ink on it, so I suspect this might be a cartridge that has been refilled. Alright, when inserted it says used HP cartridge, previously used genuine HP cartridge installed. Hit OK for continue. It's printing a calibration sheet. Load plain white paper, then press OK. Alright, it scanned the alignment page, says alignment successful, press OK to continue, and we have successfully installed the new cartridge. If we look at the ink levels here, the black cartridge is all the way up. I still have a lot left in my regular color cartridge. So in comparison to the original cartridge that was running out of ink, here is the new replacement cartridge, which is very black. So this is the original HP official cartridge. I pulled out that it was running out of ink, or ran out of ink. And you can see on the back here there's various places where it's laser marked. I suspect these markings line up to the scratch out marks on the replacement cartridge. Alright, it is December 10th. I've replaced this cartridge. It claims 680 page yield, so I'm not going to stand there with a counter, but it'll take a couple of months for us to figure out how well it works. Alright, so I installed that ink cartridge about 40 days ago. I've probably only printed like maybe 40 or 50 pages since then. Ink level here claims it's still very high. It's been working just fine. So far within the first month and 10 days of usage, I'm perfectly happy with that ink cartridge. If it should run out earlier than I think it should, or die or something, I'll update my review.